Hi there, my name is Katie Logue, and I'm the THINSCAPE product designer here at Wilsonart. Today I'm excited to share with you 3 new stone looks that I've developed for our 2023 THINSCAPE launch. Now, this collection was inspired by 3 key residential trends that I've been watching sort of evolve over the past few years. The first trend being nature-inspired. Now, this trend is all about bringing the outdoors inside our homes, really craving that connection to the natural world. We can do this with the use of neutral grounded color palettes, bringing in more greenery or other various materials found in nature that help connect us to the elements. Sea Lime Mist here, the first of the 3 new designs, was inspired by this trend. Sea Lime Mist is a bright light gray quartzite structure with organic directional movement and quartz crystals that are warm in color accented on the surface. We've paired this structure with our SB sand-blasted finish for that textured surface feel. The next trend I was inspired by for this collection was refined and timeless. Now, simplicity is key for this trend. It's really for homeowners that are looking to reduce that visual noise in their space and help promote wellness and relaxation. And for the countertops, this can be done with the use of more delicate color tones or minimal vein movement. Soluna connects nicely with this trend. Soluna is our new warm white, soft textured marble structure with this refined directional, warm, bronzy, rusty vein that runs throughout the surface. We've paired this with our luster LR finish for that smooth to the touch feel and low gloss look. And the final trend for this collection was contrast cues. Now, this trend is for a homeowner that's looking for a little bit more dynamic visual interest in their space. They may be looking to play around with contrasting color palettes or different material usage throughout their space. They might like to play with white marble perimeters and a soapstone island, for example. May want to do the 2-toned cabinetry trend. And that takes me to the final design here for this launch, Pietra Noir. This design connects with this trend. This is a jet black marble structure with contrasting cross-directional white veins on the surface. We've paired this also with that luster LR finish for that smooth to the touch feel. This is a great go-to for that dynamic impact in your space. And there we have the 3 new 2023 THINSCAPE designs. Really excited about adding these to the portfolio. We'll now have 16 total design options in our THINSCAPE portfolio with different color ranging from white to mid-tones to blacks and different material types as well. Marbles, soapstones, a metal look. So we hope you go and check them out at Wilsonart today. Thank you.